Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you best 8 Windows shortcut keys. So these hotkeys will make your life easier. I'm pretty sure that. Let's have a look at it. Number 8, Windows key plus V key together. Windows V. The clipboard will open. Everything you copied will be visible here. Let's say for example, I'll be copying something now. I just want to copy this and paste it here, right? And also I want to copy this, paste it here, right? If I press the Windows V key again, things which I copied is appearing here. If I want to copy something over here, okay, I'll click Windows V again. Just have to click here and click this. Likewise, everything which you copied, you can look at. You don't have to copy again, get paste here. Alright. Number 7, taking screenshots. There are two ways to do that. Fn key plus print screen key. Both the keys together, and then it will open this print screen tool, snapshot tool. Here there are 4 items that you can select. I'll prefer this one. And then snipping tool will open through the print screen picture, and then you can edit it and save it from the any file format whichever you want and to any location. Second method of taking snapshots, Fn key plus Windows key plus print screen key. You must have noticed that screen got flashed, so that means picture has taken. So now we have to locate the picture. Should be in your documents under pictures folder, under screenshot folder. Yep, here is the screenshot that we have taken right now using Fn key, Windows key and print screen key, all 3 keys together. That's all. Windows key plus L key, both together. Oops. What will happen is it will lock the computer. Again, you will have to put your credentials and log in again. If you want to go out or out for a second, out for a minute, let's say, then this method is better. Number 5 is Windows key plus E key. It will open the file explorer. That is the hotkey to open file explorer quickly. Windows E. Right? That's all. Next one is you just open a document or a folder or any type of window, and then you press the Windows key and hold it and click the right arrow key, and then again up arrow key, again left arrow key, again down arrow key, again right arrow key, again right arrow key. Again, right arrow key. You can play with the arrow keys while holding the Windows key. Very nicely you can organize the number 3, Windows key plus numeric keys. Windows key plus number 1 key. Windows key and 2 key together. Windows key and number 1 key. Windows key 2. Windows key plus number 3. Windows key plus 4. Likewise, what happened is when I press a number with the Windows key, it will open the pinned apps. If I press Windows key plus number 1, the first app is the calculator. Next to the virtual desktop icon, first icon is the calculator. When I press the number 1 with the Windows key, the calculator opens. When I press the number 2, Microsoft Edge app opens. When I press number 3 with the Windows key, File Explorer opens. That's how it works. Next one is Windows key plus D. When we press Windows D, it will show the desktop. It will minimize all the windows. Windows D. And when you press it again, it will open all the windows which was opened. Number 1, the best one, the virtual desktop. Okay, a virtual desktop. Currently, you can see I have opened a Word document and Firefox window. On the taskbar, the left corner side, you can see this virtual desktop icon. If you click this, you can see the softwares which I have opened and these desktop icons. If you click this, desktop 2, there will be a different desktop. It's a new desktop. There's nothing that I have opened here. If you want to add another desktop, you can add, see, the third desktop here. Right, using Control Windows D key, you can create a new desktop, but I prefer to use it this way. And you can move to the other desktops if you want to use the keyboard. Control Windows right arrow key and Windows Control left arrow key to the other desktop. Okay, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get a notification when I upload more videos. Take care. Bye bye.